Po, meron lang po kaming dalawang bagay na hingin muna as pabor sa mga participants po for tonight. Una, kindly please, pwede ba natin ilagay yung phones natin to silent mode para tuloy-tuloy po tayo sa discussion natin. We will be having around 45 minutes to 1 hour na discussion, mabilis lang. And stick to kasi konti yung main speaker natin. Pag madidisturb mo yun, babalik sa simula yun na gano'n. Diba? So hindi kayo matatapos, sabi tayo makarinig ng ringing tone. Diba? Now, another thing po na i-ask namin is that we want this business awareness presentation a lively one. So, kung pwede po, pag magtanong kami, sagot naman tayo, ha? And aside from that, before we start, this is the most important thing. We would like to ask you to please open your mind muna. If you had a bad day, iwan muna natin yon. Now, sa labas, iwan natin sa labas ng door. Now, if you have previous investment from other networking companies, iwan nyo din yun. Kasi po, kahit gaano kaganda po yung present namin, kung naka-close mind po kayo, hindi nyo po yung ma-appreciate. That's why we're asking that. Diba? So, okay ba yun? Pwede ba?
Yes.
Yes. Alright, thank you. And lastly is that, sino dito ang first-timers sa networking? Pakitaas ang kamay. Orientation, first-timers. Ba, wala. Good thing, sir. Walang first-timer. Lahat, naka-undergo na ng So, sino dito ang networkers? Taas ang kamay. Networkers.
Wow.
Ma'am, saan kayo nabilong? Alam mo. Anyway, first-timers po, sa networking, orientation, hindi. Okay, good. That's great. At least, medyo may konting background na kayo about sa system. Diba? So, we are here to present to you about Talent Mobile Business Plan. Now, I'll be turning you over to our main speaker po for tonight. Now, our main speaker is an engineer by profession, currently working full-time at Davao City Water District. So kung may problema kayo sa tubigan, pwede ito siya. Pwede ito siyang lapitan. Now, he is one of the most productive members of Talent Mobile Business Club here in Davao. For last month po, nag-top 6 po sila.
Wow.
So, ganun po sila kagaling. Kasi palakpakan ng sila. And this Saturday po, may blowout. So, announcement. Anyway, please help me welcome po, Engineer Lucky Champ Almonia.
Yes.
Engineer, mapugos juga nila. So thank you, sir, for that very bukan na matay nito. So before I start, so anong pala, lahat ba nakakaintindi ng Bisaya? Yes. Para hindi po magdugo-dugo ang ilong. Hindi ko parehas kay Sir Ken, ngayon naka-fluent sa Tagalog. Okay. So since niya tumanda dere, munta na ko, ma'am, yun sa mo pag-invite sa inyo, ma'am? Sa nag-invite sa inyo, ma'am? Text wala ka din na lang, kinagkakang dere, kinagkuhan, ito, singla lang siya unya pagkauman. So, tonight, I will present to you what this business all about, and then what is the advantage of this business among the other business na naibawan na nato. Okay, so, sir, si pangalan mo, sir? John Ray. So, kung mayroong tag-business, sir, kasi may una na magawa sa inyong mind. Ay, kita, ang yung income. Isa pa? Walay amo. Okay. So, income, syempre, pati ang atoang investment, kung pila ito, puhunan sa atoang business. Okay, awareness. So, gusto na ako, aware mo tanan, at sa inyong gantuan diri karon makabaluta unsa si Talent Mobile. So, muna siya, business awareness presentation. So, let me begin with this question. So, if you have a choice to choose the right stream of income, which source of income will you choose? Okay? So there are two options, employment or business. So, si pangalan mo, ma'am?
Ako.
Joy po.
Joy. Okay. Si Joy, si Sir John, memorize na mo isa-isa. Okay, kung ikaw papilion, ma'am, employment or business?
Business and employment.
Okay. So, correct.
Pwede.
Correct. Actually, kung ako po, pwede na ko siya pagsabayon. Pwede na ko pagsabayon ang business at saka employment. So, like what I did, employed ko from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And then, I'm doing this business 5 p.m. onwards, including weekends. So, during weekends, instead na magtambay ko sa balay, kaya ang trabaho is from Monday to Friday lang man. So, I'm going to different places, conduct a business presentation. So, muna siya mong ginatawag na bring the business to the people. So, karon, since naaman mo diri, bring those people to this business. Okay? So, muna siya. So, ang uban, so wait, ikaw sir, asa may mas dako, kailangan dako nga puhunan, employment or business? Business. Ang employment ay, dapat tayo puhunan?
Yes. Time, effort.
Time, effort.
Money.
Sa uban mo yun sila na dako daw ikuan, dako investment ang business. Okay. Mauntahan ako sa inyo ha. Gikan kinder hangtod college, na may mga allowance. Ito ito allowance, hindi pang Dota, hindi pang inom, tanan-tanan. Tanan nyo, pilay gasto sa inyong parents? About mga 500,000?
Yes. 500,000 from elementary mo kaya?
Oh, from elementary. Kabinaan ko mga doon.
Mahigit siguro. Mahigit sumobra.
Sa Davao Doc, ay sa uban mga private na schools, mga dagko 15%, di ba? So, pag-employment atong pilion, kailangan na to graduate ng college. Tapos kailangan pa na to experience. And then ang uban mahagbong pagyud sa category na atong with pleasing personality. So kung pwede lang na siya eskwelahan mo, eskwelahan ko na. Kaya gani ang motoristic wala nilitaan na. Kinawat ko nila dayon. Okay, kung business, kung makakita mo ka ng naitaong na Ferrari, ay niagi niya sa gawas karon. Kung sa may maingon ninyo sa inyong nauna, kung saan na siya, empleyado na siya or businessman?
Businessman.
Businessman. Kung kanang gwapo kay balay, mansyon, empleyado, businessman.
Politiko.
So, makaingon din ta nga businessman, mostly, di ba? Makaingon ta nga businessman. So, tama ba na ingon na ito? Wala hindi dato sa pang-empleyo? Tama ba? Wala dyan na, di ba? So kung ngayon nasa tao yan siya, sipag at tiyaga lang. Kaya mga tricycle drivers, sipag at tiyaga man na sila. They work more than 8 hours a day. And then, ang uban, gamay lang savings, di ba? So, kung dito sa itong business, we will exert the same effort, the same time, na kailang ginabuhat sa mga may sipag at tiyaga. And then, eventually, we will earn bigger. Okay? Sinaman ta diri sa networking business. So that's why, ang ako ang ikuan karon is networking business. Kumuha na siya. Kisa may negative diri sa networking? Pakitaas ka mo. Negative sa networking. Ay, salamat, wala. Thank you. So positive tanan sa networking. So open-minded tanan, okay? So, this picture was taken last July. I think July. Last August 31 sa Royal Mandayan. This picture was taken katong convention sa mga barangay captains held diri sa Davao City. So, they requested Sir Noel Velasquez to conduct the business awareness presentation requested by the Department of Trade and Industry. So, meaning, ginakilala nila si Planet Mobile as gwapo nga company para sa ilahang negosyo sa barangay. Okay? So meaning legitimate and legal si Planet Mobile. So what is our company? Okay? Company is Planet Mobile Business Club, a division of Planet Biz International. So our Planet Mobile, we are the first network marketing company who tied up with multinational food conglomerates to embrace the alternative marketing Good. And we are proud to say that we are the first. Okay? So, Ma'am